Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The project is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the corporation's summary data. If necessary, you can stop the video. You can consider each parameter of the organization in question more closely. Now we will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company. Sarepta Therapeutics Inc, ticker SRPT. The review is based on current data as of July 28, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. belongs to the subcategory DNA. 51 companies are taking part in the assessment. We will consider the final decisions at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is as follows: -3 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is -3.2 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, it can be seen that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a minus rating, 3 points for the company Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. showed a dynamics of -92%. Against price changes in the subcategory 9.1%. Market capitalization of the company Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. valued at $1.17 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $72 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.14 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $19 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and book value, we see the following. Share Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 1.624%. The book value is 6.036%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $1.342 billion. Debt to book capitalization ratio is 118% of capital. The result for the company's debt obligations, bad, -1 point. The company's market price to earnings ratio is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Rating of stock price to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$248 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $146 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.5. The average in the subcategory is 7.5. Evaluation of the exchange value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,230 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The sales margin is -11.1%, with the average for the subcategory being -78.8%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 5.735%. This is 253% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $855,000, while for the subcategory it is $3,000 and $17,000. Assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $181,000, with an average for the subcategory, minus $316,400. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,628,000. Subcategory, $402,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. Short shares account for 16%, compared to the subcategory average of 15.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 28% for the company Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 60%. The company's actual stock valuation is around $11.94. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $25.97. Let's look at the order table that is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis of the company's shares Sarepta Therapeutics Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy trade at $11.93. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively high rating and price dynamics. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 18.5. Stop loss is set at 5.36. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the deal will be closed automatically following the results of exchange trading on August 27, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, OPEN, will be a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, another order is closed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.